Hello, the internet. Matthew here, and welcome to Whiteboard Hero, where I bring you an expert in a thing and they tell you about the thing. I'm here today with the splendiferous Adam Schwam. Thank you very much for stopping by and agreeing to this today, Adam.
I've never been described as splendiferous before, but I will take it.
It's the first time for everything. All right, so Adam today is going to talk to us about one of the key concepts that is intrinsic to who he is, and that is
Entrepreneurship.
Entrepreneurship. All right, so Adam, the board is yours. Got a few minutes? Take it away.
What is entrepreneurship? Me. Entrepreneurship is really more of an attitude, a way of life, and just part of your personality.
Okay.
People can be taught many different things, but being an entrepreneur is...
Cheat you a little bit this way so the mic's here.
being an entrepreneur is something that you have to want to do. Okay, you know, if someone wants to start a business or a concept, it's not just going to happen. Entrepreneurs make things happen.
Okay, so that's if you had to have like one bullet point, entrepreneurs make things happen.
That's right. Things
Here,
just,
write that down.
okay.
That's the rule of Whiteboard Hero. You have to use the whiteboard.
It happened.
Okay.
Obviously, I was never a teacher because my writing sucks.
That's okay. Mine does too. That's why I gave you the marker.
Okay, so gotta make it happen. Making it happen takes a lot of different components.
Okay.
First off, you gotta have an idea. You gotta know what you want. Gotta know what you want to deliver. And you gotta know how to deliver.
Okay.
Okay? And sometimes things start here
Right at the edge of the
and end
Yeah, okay.
here. And by the way, with the really, really, really intense idea and being an intense person, it never, ever, 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 ever ends.
Right. So it's a constant cycle. Almost like the hero's journey.
That's right. Because being an entrepreneur allows you not just to do one idea, it allows you to do almost everything. And as you go along in your travels and you network, you're meeting other people with ideas, and they're finding that their ideas become your idea.
Okay, so it starts to blend together.
Yeah, you were starting here, next thing you know, you're here. But really where it goes is, you know, it almost looks like that networking bubble that everyone sees, your sphere of influence.
Okay,
and that's
yes.
what they call it. But let's call it your entrepreneurial sphere. You know, you start here with your one idea.
Okay.
It leads to another idea, leads to another idea, leads to another idea. And then you meet these two guys here, and you're doing something together, and then you're doing something over here. It's part of that big picture. And then next thing you know, other entrepreneurs are seeing you, and you become part of their bubbles.
Oh, so all right. So I think we're getting into the next concept in the next video, and which we will get to in a little bit. So you're going to have to stay tuned right here to Hero's Breath to hear more from Adam Schwam. Adam, thank you for starting us off with some great concepts. All right, so stay tuned. This is Adam. All his information is going to be down below. This is Matt and Adam to thank you for tuning in. And remember, level up.